Need to update the name on your ALDI Mobile account due to marriage, divorce, or a legal name change? As of October 2025, the process is primarily digital and relies on ID match for security. First, log in to the ALDI Mobile app or website. Navigate to Account Settings or Profile and find the Name Change Request option. You'll need to upload supporting documents, such as a government-issued ID like a driver's license, passport, or state ID, and proof of name change like a marriage certificate or court order. The ID match system will then prompt you to upload a photo of your ID and a selfie for facial recognition. If the ID match is successful, the name update is processed automatically, typically within 1 to 3 days. If the match fails, you'll need to contact ALDI Mobile support for manual review. ALDI Mobile uses encrypted systems to handle sensitive information in line with GDPR and CCPA standards. Troubleshooting and support tips for ALDI Mobile name changes. Ensure your ID photos are clear and that the information matches your supporting documents exactly. Common problems include poor photo quality, leading to ID match failure. If the digital process fails, don't hesitate to contact ALDI Mobile's 24/7 customer service line at 1-866-425-3443 or use their live chat feature, which now uses AI for faster assistance. Have your account details ready to expedite the process. Remember, only the account holder can request a name change. ALDI Mobile is also working towards completely digital name changes, but human support will be needed in unique cases. Telecom Insights says ID Match Tech can cut identity theft risks by 35%, but carriers must ensure accessibility, so be patient and persistent if needed.